Welcome to GMC Machine Tools. Here we have our EBB-1014CNC folding machine. To start, click New Program. Go ahead and insert some basic information for your material type and info. Once you have the information inputted into the machine, you're going to go ahead and click Confirm. You're going to go ahead and change the length of the material to 4, put a 90-degree angle in, and then change the other length to 4 as well. Go ahead and click Simulation, click Calculate Solution, and click Play. Once it calculates the solution, you can go ahead and click Production. You can also go ahead and click Save, insert your name that you want the program to be called. This one's going to be a 4-inch box. And then go ahead and click Enter. Go ahead and click into production, press stop, reset, and start, and go ahead and cycle through. For the next step, we'll do a 2-inch box. You'll do a new program, click in all the information and click confirm. Go ahead and put 2 inches in there, put 90 degrees for your angle, and then put 2 inches for the other side of your material. Click simulation, click calculate solution. Press play. Once it cycles through, you can go ahead and click save. Name this program as well. This one's going to be a 2-box by 4. Click production and go ahead and click stop, reset, and start. Go ahead and watch your angles change and your measurements on your back gauge change. You're going to go ahead and remove one of the fingers. That way you can go ahead and slide over, adjust, and make it for the right size box that you need. You'll go ahead and remove multiple depending on what size the box it is, and then you can go ahead and adjust them and put them in the right simulation for which type of box and size of box that you're going to bend. Go ahead and tighten the Allen bolt back up. Here we're going to go over the here we're going to go over the bending gap. You want it to be 1.5 to 2 times your material thickness. To adjust your bending gap, you're going to go ahead and loosen the set bolt. And then you can turn the dial below. If you turn it counterclockwise, that's going to lower your bending gap, which will increase how big the gap is. And to raise it, you'll turn it clockwise, which will decrease how big your gap is. Remember, for smaller material, you want to be 1.5 times, and for thicker material, you want to be 2 times the thickness of the material. Go ahead and tighten the Allen set bolt back up. You're going to go ahead and take your material, you're going to insert it in until it touches the back gauge finger. You're going to go ahead and press clamp on the foot pedal and bring it down. Let the machine go ahead and clamp, it'll hit a safety. Hit clamp again and let it clamp all the way until it's tight. Go ahead and hit bend, it'll come up and make your first 90-degree bend. You're going to go ahead and rotate the piece. Once it unclamps, take it out, rotate it around for your next side. You'll do this for all 4 sides of the piece of material that you're bending. Once you go ahead and bend your last side, go ahead and bring the bending leaf back down, unclamp it, and you'll have a 2-inch box. Here we're going to go ahead and do a 4-inch box. Go ahead and slide your material in until it hits the back gauge fingers. Go ahead and press the clamp button down. It'll come down and it'll grab the material. Once it grabs the material, go ahead and hit the middle foot pedal for bend. It'll come up, it'll go back down, and you're going to do this for each side again. Again, go ahead and put your last side in, clamp it down, hit the middle pedal to bend, and now you have a 4-inch box.